Hey everyone, this is Tejas from Hightouch, and I'm really excited to share our latest product update today. A new and improved traits builder within Customer Studio. What's Customer Studio? It's basically a platform that sits on top of your warehouse and allows marketing teams to go in there and start creating audiences on top of all the customer data in your warehouse. And once you build these audiences, you can sync them to downstream email platforms, CRMs, advertising platforms, and actually use them to run campaigns and take action on that data. Now, what's our traits feature? The traits feature basically allows you to calculate new attributes about your customers without writing a line of SQL. So the audience builder of Customer Studio generally sits on top of tables, views, SQL queries, data that exists in your data warehouse today. Whereas the traits feature actually allows you to create net new traits on your customers outside of what is existing in the data warehouse today. So an example of that would be an average order value or a lifetime spend. And obviously your data teams can create these values themselves, using data engineering and SQL in the data warehouse. But traits really allows you to do this in a visual way really easily at a really high velocity. So overall, this means that you're not limited to the raw data that's in your warehouse, and you can build more granular specific audiences with less data engineering resources. So what's new? What's new in this product launch? It's really two big things. One, we've added a really easy way for marketing teams to build new traits on customer profiles on the fly while they're building audiences. The second biggest update in this new product release around traits is that we've added a whole traits management tab that allows data teams and admins of a Hightouch workspace to easily view, govern, and handle all the traits across the organization. Awesome. So now I'll hand it off to Elliot from our design team to show off these two improvements.
Here is our audience builder. You can see that I created a basic audience to target people who have added an item to the cart within the last 3 days and then did not complete their order. And you can see right now that this audience has 42 people in it. Now I can choose from a number of different filters to further refine my audience here. But let's say that I want to refine my audience based on something that is not in any of these options. Let's say I want to only target customers who have spent more than $500 in the past, because I think that these people will be very likely to convert again. So now I can go in here to create a custom trait. Now, since I only want to look at customers who have spent more than $500, I'll build my trait from the order completed table, which includes all the past orders. So I can select the sum of the price column, and I want to do greater than or equal to $500. And I'm going to recalculate that audience. So if I want, I can keep going, adding more conditions and filters. But we can see here that the audience size is calculated to 6 people. So I've clearly slimmed it down, making it more targeted. This tool is super flexible. You can build any trait you need on the fly as you're making an audience and analyze how it changes that audience's makeup. For data team members and admins, we added a new section to easily view and manage all traits in a workspace. One powerful feature we've added is trait templates. Anyone can build more specific traits based on a template that I set up. So for example, this trait looks at week-over-week trends of orders completed by each customer. I wrote it with custom SQL. My team members can create new traits derived from this template without needing to write the SQL themselves. So you can see here another team member made these two traits, breaking up the order completed delta by region, Northwest and Southeast. Let's try building a trait together. So we'll create one from scratch. We'll select the parent model, which I have users here. Now we want to try to calculate the count of pets that a user has. So I'm going to choose the count method. I'm going to select the pets related model, and I'm going to choose the pet ID, and let's hit preview results. Now down the road, I might want to add additional conditions here to be able to see how many dogs they have or how many cats they have. But for now, this is all pets. And you can see here with my dummy data that I'm able to get a quick peek at the calculation that this trait will give me. So we can give it a name, count of pets. We can give it a helpful description. And you can once again review the calculation summary there. And we'll hit create. So overall, this interface makes it easy for data team members to add new traits, trait templates, and edit them across their organization.
And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the demo. Traits are just one of the examples of how we're giving teams simple tools to get the most out of their data. Data activation is all about giving data and marketing teams superpowers with the data they already have in the data warehouse. We have a really exciting product roadmap ahead, so stay tuned for other updates that'll make Hightouch even more powerful in coming months. And hey, we're trying something new with these videos, so if you're a fan, let me know in the comments. Thank you.